Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you that cosine of the quantity alpha minus beta is equal to cosine alpha cosine beta plus sine alpha times sine beta. So ito yung proof for this trigonometric identity. Okay, so let's have here a unit circle. So, ibig sabihin, pag unit circle, ang kanyang radius is equal to 1. So, therefore, itong ating value nito is equal to 1. Ito, yung haba nito from the center of the Cartesian plane up to point B is also equal to 1. Okay? Siya ay unit circle. Radius is equal to 1 unit. Now, ang kailangan natin is this angle. Yung angle na yon is the difference of the angles alpha and beta. So, therefore, itong angle na to can be obtained by subtracting beta to alpha. So, this is your alpha minus beta. Now, after that, kunin natin yung coordinates of this point B. Coordinate niya is x sub B, y sub B. Pero pwede nating i-rewrite yung kanyang coordinates in terms of sine and cosine functions. Okay, kunin natin yung right triangle na yon. So this is 1 unit, this is beta, this is y, and this is x. Okay, so ito yung x sub b, y sub b. Okay, so we have cosine beta is equal to adjacent side x sub b over 1. Cross multiplying 1 to cosine beta, therefore x sub b is equal to cosine beta. And for y sub b, that is equal to sine beta. Ito yung tinutukoy kong right triangle. Okay? Ito yung x sub b, ito yung y sub b. Okay? So, sine beta is opposite side over hypotenuse. 1 yun kasi unit circle. We have y sub b over 1. Cross multiply y sub 1 to sine beta. Therefore, sine beta is equal to y sub b. 1 times sine beta is sine beta. So, ibig sabihin, yung ating ordered pair ni point B ay pwedeng cosine beta, sine beta. Okay? Pagtangko na yon. Ilagay natin. This is cosine beta, sine beta. And then, kunin naman natin yung coordinates ni point A. So, ang coordinates niya will be x sub A, y sub A. So, if this is your x sub A, this is your y sub A, pwede natin i-rewrite into sine and cosine functions using this right triangle. So, therefore, pag ginamit natin yon, coordinates ni point A can be cosine A. Okay? A natin, alpha natin is this one. Ito yung angle A natin. Okay? Itong simula dito hanggang doon. So, kay alpha naman yon, cosine alpha, sine alpha. Okay? Hindi ko na lang nilagay, hindi ko na lang kinuha yung right triangle. Pero kung gagawin ninyo, ito yung ating right triangle. Y sub A, ito yung 1. Okay? Now, the next is, kunin natin yung distance from point A to point B. So, ito ang kukunin natin. So, solving AB. Solving AB. Distance from A to B. Okay? Using distance formula. Okay? Pero hindi natin gagamitin yung x sub A, y sub A, x sub B, and y sub B. Ang gagamitin natin yung ating ordered pairs na cosine beta, cosine alpha, sine alpha. Okay? Distance formula. So, we have, distance formula, we have d square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Okay? So, pwede natin square na lang yung d para maging wala yung square dun sa kanan. So, we have d squared equal to x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Okay. So, ang x sub 2 natin, gamitin natin yung ito. Cosine beta, alpha na unahin natin. Cosine alpha minus cosine beta. Okay, para katulad ng difference natin. Alpha minus beta. Okay. So, we have d squared. So, yung AB yun. So, AB squared. X sub 2 is cosine alpha. Cosine alpha minus cosine beta, ang x sub 1 natin. Squared plus sine alpha minus sine beta. Sine alpha minus sine beta squared. Okay. Expand natin. So, this is cosine squared alpha. Product of these 2 times 2. Okay. 2 cosine alpha cosine beta. Nagaling ko to. Plus square ni cosine. Cosine squared beta. Plus square ni sine. Sine squared alpha. Minus twice the product of these 2. So, 2 sine alpha sine beta plus square of sine beta. Sine squared beta. Sana ma-recall ninyo yung x minus a squared, that is equal to x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. Ganun ang ginawa ko dito at saka dito. Okay? And then, itong dalawang to, pwede natin gamitin yung Pythagorean identity. So, sine squared alpha plus cosine squared alpha. Ito at saka ito, pagdikitin din natin. Plus sine squared beta plus cosine squared beta. Minus this one, 2 cosine alpha cosine beta minus this one, 2 sine alpha sine beta. Okay? So this is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 minus 2 cosine alpha cosine beta minus 2 sine alpha sine beta. So AB squared is equal to 2 minus 2 cosine alpha cosine beta minus 2 sine alpha sine beta. Okay? Okay na. So, hindi pa natin na-prove pero gagamitin natin ito mamaya. Pagkatapos nun, pwede pa rin natin makuha yung distance between AB or points A and B gamit yung tinatawag nating cosine law. Sana naituro sa atin yon nung grade 9 kayo. Okay? At papakita ko sa inyo yung cosine law. Okay, so ito yung ating formulas using cosine law. Ginagamit natin to kapag meron tayong oblique triangle. We can determine one side sa ating oblique triangle given yung two sides at saka yung tinatawag nating included angle. Halimbawa, kung ito ang hahanapin natin, dapat ay given yung sides B at saka side C at saka yung angle A. Yung angle A natin, tinatawag nating included angle. Okay. Yan ang cosine law. Okay? Paghahanapin natin sa A, so that is A squared equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2 times B times C times cosine A. At kapag hahanapin naman si B, we have B squared equal to A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cosine B. At kapag si C naman ang hahanapin, we have C squared equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine C. Okay? Kapag hahanapin si B, si angle B ang included angle. Kapag hahanapin ay si C, si angle C ang included angle. Ito yung tinatawag nating cosine law or law of cosines. Okay? At gagamitin natin yung cosine law in solving dun sa ating distance between the points A and B. Okay? So ito yun. Kunin natin yung triangle. Okay. So, ito yung ating point B, point A. Ito yung ating alpha minus beta. Ito yung 1 unit. Ito yung hanapin natin distance. Okay? Si alpha minus beta yung included angle. Hindi natin nagamitin yung coordinates. Okay? Ang gagamitin natin ay cosine law. Okay? Now, kunin natin si AB. Solving AB. Meron na tayong AB squared dito. Kunin natin yung AB squared gamit yung law of cosines. So, we have AB squared. AB squared, itong dalawang given, equal to, sabihin natin ay A. Sabihin natin to ay, teka. Sabihin natin to ay B. Sabihin natin to ay C. Ito yung angle A natin. Okay, ha? Ito yung hinanap natin, side A. Para lang hindi malito. Okay? So, ito nga hanapin natin. Yun yung A natin. AB yun. Okay? AB squared equal to B squared. Ang B natin ay 1. Okay? Kasi unit circle. 1 squared. Ang C natin, 1 squared din. Minus 2 times B times C times cosine A. Ang A natin, alpha minus beta. Okay, so we have AB squared equal 1 squared plus 1 squared is 2 minus 2 cosine alpha minus beta. Okay. So, meron na tayong isa pang AB squared dito. Pag-i-equate lang natin sila kasi isa lang naman yung AB squared na tinutukoy natin dito. Okay? Ito lang ginamitan natin ng distance formula. Ito ginamitan natin ng law of cosine. Okay. Game. Kasunod niyan, equate natin yung dalawa. Let's say this is your equation 1. This is your equation 2. Okay? So, equation 1 equal to equation 2. So, equate 1 and 2. Unahin na natin yung 2. So, ibig sabihin, AB squared here is equal to AB squared dito sa isa. So, AB squared dito, we have 2 minus 2 cosine alpha minus beta equal to AB squared here. So, 2 minus 2 cosine alpha kasya. AB squared here is 2 minus 2 cosine alpha minus beta is equal to 2 minus 2 cosine alpha cosine beta minus 2 sine alpha sine beta. Okay. So, galing ko na to. Sunod. Transpose ko yung 2. So, we have negative 2 cosine alpha minus beta is equal to 2 minus 2. Ilipat ko to, magiging negative. Minus 2 cosine alpha cosine beta minus 2 sine alpha sine beta. Okay? So, 0 na to. So, we have negative 2 cosine alpha minus beta is equal to, cancel, negative 2 cosine alpha cosine beta minus 2 sine alpha sine beta. Okay? Divide all of the terms by negative 2. Okay? Or multiply by negative 1/2. So, divide na lang by negative 1/2. Divide by 2. Negative 2. So, positive 1. So, cosine alpha minus beta is equal to negative 2 divided by negative 2 is positive cosine alpha cosine beta. Negative 2 divided by negative 2 is positive. So, positive sine alpha sine beta. At mapapansin nyo, equal na siya doon. So, medyo mahaba yung proving natin for the sum and difference identities. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo kung saan nagmula yung ating trigonometric identities. At maipakita rin, ma-prove sa inyo na talagang totoo yung ating sum and difference identities. So, thank you.